Hey lads, TechScanning here. So the long-awaited and most hyped Oppo Find X6 Pro is now finally official in China alongside the standard Oppo Find X6 and Oppo Pad 2. Though the basic Find X6 is packed with quite impressive specs, however, it's the Pro variant where we will be able to see Oppo at its best. So there is black, green and then I can say more stylish desert silver moon with vegan leather touch on the bottom. The Oppo Find X6 Pro comes with an enormous 6.82 inches LTPO AMOLED curved display with very slim bezels and a punch hole for the selfie camera. It's 3168 by 1440 pixel display resulting in 510 pixels per inch. This means you will get high quality crisp details on this screen. So overall a pretty well known specs for a flagship phone. But it's the world's first phone that's post 2500 nits brightness. So there will be no situation when you will be having any trouble watching the content on this screen. Looking at this Oppo Find X6 Pro, it's not hard to guess where the company has put its major focus. Yes, the cameras. Its huge circular rear camera island is holding three 50 megapixel sensors alongside Hasselblad and Muddy Silicone branding. So a 1-inch sensor size as a main camera, an ultra wide and a periscope telephoto with the largest sensor than any other phone in the market, and it supports up to 3 times optical zoom. For even more zoom power, it also offers a whopping 120 times digital zoom. Oppo has already shared some samples taken from the main, ultra wide and periscope sensor, and as we can see, it delivers incredible results. All 3 camera sensors are taking advantage of Oppo's in-house developed Muddy Silicone X imaging chip, Hasselblad tuning and the mighty Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. So allowing all camera sensors to deliver an almost similar level of details which Oppo called the 3 main camera era. This time Oppo has put a special focus to deliver the strongest camera system for low light photography, and the difference is pretty clear when compared with the competition. The Find X6 Pro images are more detailed and clear against the leading flagships. However, it's the front 32 megapixel camera sensor that is going to disappoint you. Though it's good to take selfies, but limited to only 1080 pixels recording with up to 30 fps. And that is just unacceptable in 2023. Oppo Find X6 Pro is carrying 5000 mAh of battery. That will be enough for a full day backup thanks to its energy efficient Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. It can charge at 100 watt wired while a fairly fast 50 watt wireless charging speed. Oppo Find X6 Pro is packed with all latest hardware like LPDDR5X, UFS 4.0 storage, Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.3. Oppo launched this well-packed flagship in China at 5,999 yuan, approximately $870, and that is incredible price for such a well-packed phone. Apparently, the Oppo Find X6 Pro is not coming to the US or the other part of the world, so it will stay in China for now. And that's it for today. Please share your thoughts what you think about the Oppo Find X6 Pro. Please do consider subscribing to the channel and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.